In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to record and send video messages on WhatsApp. First things first, make sure you are updated to the most recent version of WhatsApp. Once you've done that, go ahead and open the app and make sure you're logged in and go to the settings in the little bar on the bottom there. It should be the lower right-hand corner. Once under settings, you'll want to go to where you see chats. And then under chats, you may see something that says enable video recording or video chats. Go ahead and enable that. If you have a newer version of WhatsApp, you don't really have to do this. Now go ahead and go into your chats like I am here. And in order to record and send a video here in WhatsApp, what you're going to do is right there where you see the camera icon, right next to where you go ahead and tap to start typing your message, you can just tap and hold on your screen on the camera icon, and it's going to bring up the video recording feature like you see here. So you just record, I believe you can record up to 60 seconds. It may be more now. And then you hold down while you're recording, and then when you're done, you go ahead and release that, and it will send that as a video. So as you can see now, that video is recorded and sent to that person. Now, if you wanted to, you could always tap and hold on that video that you just sent. So I'll tap and hold on that video, and I can either keep it, I can reply to it, forward it, or if I wanted to re-record, I can always hit the delete option there with the trash can, and that will immediately delete that recording, and I can tap and hold the camera icon once more to start recording the video once more. So again, very simple, very easy. Tap and hold, go ahead and hit delete to remove it. Tap and hold, you can go ahead and hit the trash can icon to delete those for everyone as well, and you are good to go. So that's how you record and send video messages within WhatsApp. If you have any questions, please put those down below. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.